Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have started the chapter Linear Inequalities of NCERT Class 11 Mathematics Test. Let's have a quick review on the topic that we have discussed so far. What is an inequality? Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions connected by the symbol less than or equal to, greater than or equal to is known as an inequality. And linear inequality we mean if the degree of an inequality is 1, then it is known as what? Linear inequalities. And we also discuss the rules for solving an inequality. Rule 1 is equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of an inequality without affecting the sign of an inequality. And rule 2 is we can multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a positive number. But when we multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the sign of the inequality is reversed. Okay. So these 2 points you have to remember while solving an inequality. Now we shall start exercise 6.1. Here the first question is solve 24x less than 100 when first sub question x is a natural number, second x is an integer. 24x is less than 100. So in order to find the value of x, we can divide 24 on both sides. So here x less than 100 divided by 24, that is x less than 4.1 and so on. Okay. Now we have to write the solution in the set of natural numbers and in the set of integers. We know the set of all natural numbers are set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. And integers are the collection of natural numbers, their negatives and 0. Okay. So integers are, we can write set etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here we have to write the natural numbers less than 4.1. Clearly they are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the solution is set 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the second one we have to write the solution in the set of integers. X is an integer. So here we have to write the integers that are less than 4.1. Okay. So here we can write etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now the next question is solve minus 12x greater than 30. So here in order to find the value of x, we have to divide both sides of this inequality by minus 12. That means by a negative number. And what happens when we divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number? We have to change the sign of the inequality. That means here the sign of the inequality means greater than. We have to change it into less than. Okay. So x is less than 30 by minus 12. And on dividing we get x is less than minus 2.5. Okay. And the solution in the set of natural numbers. The natural numbers are less than minus 2.5. We know natural numbers start with 1, 1, 2, 3, etc. So here there is no natural numbers which satisfies the condition x is less than minus 2.5. So we can write in the set of natural numbers there will be no solution for this inequality. No solution. And the second one is in the set of integers. We know there are infinitely many integers that are less than minus 2.5. We can write set etc. minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. The collection of integers which are less than minus 2.5 are etc. We don't know the least negative number. That's why we put etc. There are infinitely many integers. Okay. So etc. Then minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3. Clear? Next one is Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. So first of all, we can take this minus 3 to right side, or we can say adding minus 3 on both sides. Okay. So we get 5x is less than 7 plus 3, or 5x is less than 10, x less than 10 by 5, x less than 2. And the first sub question is solution in the set of integers. X is an integer. So we can write set etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. The integers which are less than 2. Okay. Then second one is x is a real number. So while writing the solution in the set of real numbers, we have to write it as an interval form. Okay. That all things we have discussed in the introduction video. Okay. So x is a real number. Real numbers that are less than 2. That we can write it as open interval minus infinity comma 2. 2 is not included, that is why we put the open bracket. So the real numbers that are less than 2 can be written in interval form as open interval minus infinity comma 2. Okay. Next one is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So here 3x is greater than 2 minus 8. 3x greater than minus 6, x greater than minus 6 by 3, or x is greater than minus 2. First one, solution in the set of integers. The collection of integers that are greater than minus 2. So we can start with the minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. And the second case is x is a real number. So we have to write the collection of real numbers which are greater than minus 2. We can write it in interval form as minus 2 is the least number. So we can write it first. Open interval minus 2 comma infinity. Okay. Here the next question is solve the inequalities for real x. So here in each question we have to write the solution in interval form. We have to solve for real x. Okay. So question number 5 is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. First of all, we can collect the variables to left side and constants to right side. Okay. So 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. Minus x is less than 4. And in order to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by minus 1. And definitely the sign of the inequality get reversed. Here less than, so it becomes greater than. Okay. So x is greater than minus 4. And the solution is, here the least number is minus 4. So minus 4 comma infinity. The real numbers that are greater than minus 4, that we can write in interval form as open interval minus 4 to infinity. Okay. Then the next one is 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. So first we can take 5x to left side, 3x minus 5x greater than minus 1, then minus 7 come to right side, it becomes plus 7. Okay. That is minus 2x is greater than 6, or x is less than 6 by minus 2. On dividing by a negative number, we have to change the sign of the inequality. So greater than sign becomes less than. Okay. That is x is less than minus 3. So the solution is minus infinity comma minus 3. Okay. Now the seventh question is 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. First we can multiply 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. X less than or equal to minus 3. Therefore the solution is minus infinity comma minus 3. Here closed bracket, here open bracket. Okay. Equality is there, that's why we put closed bracket, square bracket. Okay, minus 3 is included. The numbers which are equal to minus 3 and less than minus 3. That is, x is less than or equal to minus 3. Okay, now we move on to question number 8. 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. 6 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. We can collect the variable term to left side, minus 3x and plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 4, and we can divide both sides by minus 1. So the inequality reversed, x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so the solution is minus infinity comma 4 close to. Okay. Now we move on to question number 9. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Here we have to multiply both sides of the inequality by the LCM of 2 and 3. And what is the LCM of 2 and 3? It is 2 into 3, 6. Okay. So we can multiplying both sides by 6 in order to change the fraction. Okay. So here in the first term 6x, then plus 6 into x by 2. 6 and 2 cancel 3, 3x. Then plus 6 into x by 3. 6 and 3 cancel, we get 2. So 2x less than 11 into 6. 11 into 6 is 66. Or you can use the cross multiplication method. Okay, both gives the same answer, no problem. Okay. So 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11x less than 66. X is less than 66 by 11. X is less than 6. So the solution is minus infinity comma 6. Open interval minus infinity comma 6. Okay. Here the 10th question is x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Here also we can multiply both sides by 6. So multiplying both sides by 6. Here 6 and 3 cancel 2. 2x greater than here 3x then plus 6. That is 2x minus 3x greater than 6. Minus x is greater than 6. Or we can write x is less than minus 6. On dividing by minus 1, inequality reversed. Greater than becomes less than. Therefore the solution is what? Minus infinity comma minus 6 open. Open interval minus infinity comma minus 6. Clear? Now we move on to question number 11. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. First we can cross multiply this 3 and 5. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 5 into 5, 25 into 2 minus x. Now we can multiply 9x minus 18 less than or equal to 25 into 2, 50 minus 25x. 9x plus 25x less than or is equal to 50 plus 80. That is 34x is less than or equal to 68, or x is less than or equal to 68 divided by 34. X is less than or is equal to 2. So the solution in interval form is minus infinity comma 2 close to. Okay. Then the next question is 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. First we can cross multiply this 3 and 2. So 3 into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 2. 2 into x minus 6. That is 3 into, inside the bracket we can cross multiply this 5. 3x plus 20 divided by 5 greater than or equal to 2 into x minus 6. Again we can cross multiply this 5 to right side. So 3 into 3x plus 20 greater than or equal to 5 2s are 10. 10 into x minus 6. Now we can multiply and remove the bracket. 3 3s are 9. 9x plus 3 into 20. 60 greater than or equal to 10x minus 60. Now we can rearrange 9x minus 10x greater than or equal to minus 60 minus 60. Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 120. Now we can divide both sides by 1 minus 1. So the sign of the inequality get reversed. Here greater than or equal to, so we can write less than or equal to. So x less than or equal to 120. So the solution is minus infinity comma 120 closed. Okay. Now we move on to question number 13. Here it is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Here we can multiply 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. That is 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. Now we can rearrange 4x minus 6x less than minus 12 plus 4. That is minus 2x is less than minus 8. We can divide both sides by minus 2. So the sign of the inequality reverse. X is greater than minus 8 by minus 2. So x is greater than 4. So the solution in interval form is open interval 4 comma infinity. Here greater than, so open bracket. Open interval 4 comma infinity. Okay. Now we move on to question number 14. 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. So 37 minus, we can remove the bracket, minus 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x minus into minus plus 8 3s are 24. Now we can collect x term to left side. So minus 3x minus 9x plus 8x greater than or equal to, and we can take the number to the right side. 24 then minus 37 plus 5. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 then plus 8. So minus 4x greater than or equal to 24 minus 37 is what? Minus 13. Then minus 13 plus 5. That is minus 8. We can divide both sides by minus 4. So x is less than or equal to. Inequality sign reverse. So less than or equal to minus 8 by minus 4. That is x is less than or is equal to 2. And in interval form the solution is minus infinity comma 2 closed. Here less than or equal to, so closed bracket, square bracket. Okay. So the answer is, solution is minus infinity comma 2 closed. Okay. Now we move on to question number 15. X by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. That is x by 4 is less than, here we can cross multiply 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3 all divided by 3 5s are 15. That is x by 4 less than 5 5s are 25, 25x minus 5 2s are 10, then 3 into 7x 21x minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 15. That is x by 4 is less than 25x minus 21x, 4x minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 divided by 15. And here we can cross multiply this 15 and 4. So 15 into x, 15x is less than 4 into 4x minus 1. That is 15x is less than 16x minus 4. Or we can write 15x minus 16x less than minus 4. That is minus x is less than minus 4. And dividing minus 1 on both sides, we get x is greater than 4. So the solution is open interval 4 comma infinity. Clear? Now we move on to question number 16. 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus of 2 minus x divided by 5. Here also we can cross multiply. 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x divided by 4 5s are 20. So 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 5 3s are 15, 15x minus 5 2s are 10, 4 into 2, 8, minus into minus plus 4x divided by 20. That is 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 15x plus 4x, 19x minus 10 minus 8 minus 18 divided by 20. This 20 and 3 we can cross multiply. 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 into 19x minus 18. 20 into 2x 40x minus 20 into 1 20 greater than or equal to 3 into 19x 57x then minus 3 into 18 54. So we can collect the x term to left side. 40x minus 57x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20. That is minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 34. And we can divide both sides by minus 17. So x is less than or equal to inequality sign reversed. So minus 34 divided by minus 17. X is less than or equal to 2. So we can write the solution in interval form as minus infinity comma 2 closed. 2 is included. So open interval minus infinity comma 2 closed. Understood? So that's all for today. I think you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We will discuss the remaining questions from exercise 6.1 in the next video. So thanks for watching. Thank you.